Hi everyone. Well, as you know, I just made the announcement not that long ago. I'm so proud to say that I'm a new ambassador of Postmarkd Studio, and this is the first parcel I receive. And I thought I would make an unboxing, which is something I don't normally do, but I'm gonna keep on doing every month now, just showing you what's in these parcels that they sell monthly. So maybe if you're interested in joining and subscribing to them, you get an idea of what you get. So I'm so excited actually because this arrived last week, and I haven't really had the time yet to open it. So we're gonna do it together. This is how it looks like. I know that some months you just get a box, other months you just get a parcel like this. So we're gonna open it. This is the name of the place, Postmarkd Studio. Let's see. Are you guys excited? So this is what we get. Very nice wrap. This is just everything you get, all the goodies. Very nice card. I thought Yuno will be here with us making the unboxing, but she's at the door listening to the cleaning people who are just on the staircase. So, very nice lace. Just gonna show you everything. So we're gonna go through everything. Oh, this is so cool! Do you guys like origami? Yeah, it's really kawaii. Super cute. We have a card. Oh, very nice quality. Very, very thick. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, here we have Yuno. Yuno, come here. Here we have Yuno. I knew she wanted to make the unboxing with me. So yeah, really, really nice card. Here you have the website address. Vintage postage. Oh, I love the details. It's so much details. We have vintage postal stamps from the US. Very nice. Oh, pencils. Ah, nice. Hi to everyone who's watching, by the way. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, really cool. Color pencils, 12 of them. So with these pencils, we can actually color this card that I'm seeing down here. So we have this card. Oh, this one is really cool. Look at that. Surfing iguana. And a matching envelope. Yuno, do you like it? Gillar du det, Yuno? Oh, this one is also really cool. The quality of all these papers are super good. I love it. Very, very nice. Another card. Matching envelope. Oh, this is super cool. Look at that. Matching envelope as well. And this is just the February edition of Postmarkd Studio, which is called Take a Leap. And here you have some info. And I'm gonna just post a story with a picture of all the products and the link to their Instagram account, as well as the website's address, which is actually already show it to you, which was in the card that I showed you earlier, this one. So Postmarkd Studio offers monthly subscriptions where you get stationery in your mailbox every month. And this, what I'm showing you, is the February parcel, which come very nice wrap with this nice paper and this lace. And then you get everything that I showed you. Just a lot of cards with matching envelopes. This one's my favorite. I love it. This nice card, and together with the pencils, you can actually color it. I love that idea. A very nice quality card, very, very thick. Feels great. Vintage American postal stamps. And that was one of my favorites. This is super cool. Origami. So there you go. I hope that you like this unboxing. I'm gonna try to make more videos from now on. You know, in Sweden it's very, very dark during the winter, but now we are almost in the spring season, so we get a much better light. So I'm gonna try to make more videos from now on, so you guys get to see things that a lot of people ask me for. So I hope that you like this video, and have a very nice day. I'm actually gonna go for a walk. Here you have Juno. Juno, titta här. She is just looking outside our balcony. There's always dogs going around. Every now and then you see a deer, and she's super excited, always looking at the birds. Hi, April. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked all the products from Postmarkd Studio, which I'm a brand new ambassador, and I'm very, very happy about it. If you look at their Instagram account, you will see all the past boxes and parcels, and you will see they have amazing stuff. Vad är det? So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna go for a walk. It's very nice weather in Stockholm, and I'm going back to work tonight. So I'm just gonna go around, take a walk in the sun. It's quite warm. It's about 3 degrees, and it's sunny. And my tonsillitis are gone. I feel good because it was just by bacteria. I always get that on the swimming pool. So I'm just gonna go for a walk in the sun, and here you have Juno again. Juno. So see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.